Ho! What do we have here? It's Doc McStuffins! Oh man, this looks really cool! It's got so many toys inside of it! In fact, who all do we have in here? We've got Boppy, Professor Hootsburgh, Stuffy, Lambie, and Doc McStuffins! Oh man, this looks really cool! I can't wait to try it out! Let's see what we have here. Where will we start opening it? We're gonna start right here. Ah! Wow, what a cool little background for them. This is a great place for them to play. Now, let's see if we can get them out of the wrapping. Won't need this part anymore. Okay, who should we pull out first? I like Professor Hootsburgh. Let's play with him. Come on out, Professor Hootsburgh. Wow, that is one smart owl. Isn't this cool? So colorful and so happy to see you. She sure does like all her friends. In fact, let's get her friends out right now. Doo 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 doo. Let's get out Lambie next. Come on out, Lambie. There we go. It's Lambie. Oh, she likes to dance, doesn't she? And she also likes her friends, which is why we're gonna put her over with Professor Hootsburgh. Doo 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 doo. Doo 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 doo. Hi, Professor Hootsburgh. Oh no, Lambie fell over. There she is. Who should we get next? Let's do Boppy. Oh, come on out, Boppy. What a silly dog, huh? He's really cool looking. What color is he? He's blue. What a cool toy. Let's send him over with his friends. How many figures are left now? That's right, 2 figures. Get ready for our little dragon friend. Oh, he's tricky to get out. There we go. He's free! Yay! What a cool toy. And since he's a dragon, he can fly. Woo! 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 Let's send him over to his friends. Now there's only 1 figure left. It's Doc McStuffins. Come on out, Doc. Oh, careful. Be very careful. We don't want to break anything. Yay! It's Doc McStuffins! She's one of the smartest kids around, and she's always caring about her friends. That's why all the toys know they can come to her whenever they're in need. Let's put her back with her friends. Oh no, she fell over. It's okay, she's not hurt. There we go. And this is the Doc McStuffins collectible playset, featuring all your favorite characters and friends. Thanks for watching!